Okay.
Yes, ready. No, that's good. I am going to be back for this wall right here. Mohair silk, alpaca. I love these colors. So pretty. I know you've been wondering how it would turn out. I was working on this in my Vancouver video and I finally finished it. I had it mostly done, but just wanted to check some measurements. I was feeling really stir crazy at home. I wanted to maybe film a tutorial, do some editing, but I really needed to get out of the house. So going for a walk, got my music, and I'm gonna do a little crocheting outside because it's just such a beautiful day. To a podcast. It's been really cool, and that inspired me to kind of give myself a challenge. I was thinking it might be fun to even set some challenges, but then cut it up and put it in a bag to draw out of. So I have some really cool ideas of challenges I might put into a little bag. I wonder if I should just work on my projects I'm currently doing and then maybe start it as a New Year challenge throughout the year. I don't know, but I feel like that could be a really cool idea. Yeah. to her.
Hi guys.
Hey, she's back. Yeah, but my students are so sweet. I'm really excited for this school year. Have a foods TA, thank goodness.
Yeah.
Win.
Where'd you get the orange skirt from?
This is in Hong Kong.
Awesome.
Hey, you gifted this and they gave it to me.
Wonderful.
Barley.
Yes.
I'm gonna be so sad when it's too cold to like wear tank tops outside.
Totally. I'm not ready to give
so
it up
nice.
yet.
Going for a little walk because that was a week. It was a good week, but it was a week. I'm still getting used to being with kids all the time again. Last time we were here, we were talking about my game idea, and I've kind of developed it a little more. I have a ton of prompts now, like around 50, and I was thinking it could be like a year challenge. Like you could do one a week if you want to, like there would be enough that you have the option to. And I decided maybe I might share with you. I also adapted the prompts so they're like inclusive of knitters and crocheters. I'm a crocheter myself. I like made some really cute names for the prompts and like cute descriptions. I started formatting it, but I think it could be so cool. I'm very excited about it. Oh, look at this view. So pretty. Oh, my home is so beautiful. Victoria is stunning. This is what I needed. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, I might just sell it on Etsy though, because I think it could be really fun. Like I was originally creating it for myself, but I thought other people could, you know, create challenges and like cut it up and whatever. But I mean, you might not want to spend that much time on it. I spent a lot of time thinking about it and like making the wording nice and like making it kind of an experience, which I think would be really fun. So perhaps we could experience it together. There is a pattern designing campaign that I want to do with Hobie. So I'm gonna sit down and kind of flesh out my ideas because I've really been in teacher mode just the whole week. It's been a big first week of school back. I haven't really had the time to sit with my thoughts much. So yeah, no designing has happened yet, but I do have a bunch of ideas rolling around. So I'm gonna look on Pinterest, do some sketching, and sort of figure it out. I have 2 different ideas that I need to like hit against each other. I need to figure out which one is better, at least for right now. I think they're both really good ideas, but obviously I only have the capacity to make one of them right now. So yeah, it's gonna be like really lightweight and lacy. Lately I've been feeling like I'm overheating constantly. Honestly, I think I'm wearing too many clothes. Like it's school now, but it's still summer. So I'm wearing too many clothes. But I'm a teacher, so gotta be professional, which I mean I love that, but I need something lightweight, like a little airy poncho kind of situation. Sorry, I'm hearing critters. Oh, hello you, squirrel. Anyway, okay, view again. So pretty. Love. Like, are you seeing this? Oh my gosh. I mean, it is fully a swamp, but that's okay. The lighting is nice. Anyway, yeah, I have so many ideas. I think I'm gonna start with that one purely because I don't trust myself to finish something. If I start it and they have a deadline, like if I work with them and they have a deadline, one, I know I'll learn so much the first time around, and two, if they enforce a deadline, I will follow it. If I enforce a deadline on myself, I have other things to do, you know? So I might just like deprioritize it, and I don't want to do that because I've literally been talking about like, I'm gonna do a pattern, I'm gonna do a pattern. Ugh. I need to just sit down and do it. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think this one, I want it to be like very multi-purpose, multi-seasonal, but not too round of a design. Like, it'll be a pretty drapey material, but more structured stitches, you know, if you know what I mean. I'm looking at Hopi's website, and I'm thinking it's between merino and alpaca, but I just keep coming back to this alpaca silk. I've used it before, and I think I might have to use it again because it's just so good. I used this Arctic Lichen one. I'm thinking it's between this one and this like chocolate brown. Look at how nice that is. It's so pretty. I just want to eat it. I want them both. This is so hard. And then there's merino, which is like, I love a merino. I think merino is amazing, but I'm kind of obsessed with that alpaca silk. You're on camera.
Show off your new shop. Look at this! Yay! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting! It's
Close, records in the middle. So like the records are gonna be like here.
yeah.
And they'll be like on, they'll be able to be browsed from both sides. Oh. So here, I'll sort of line them up so I don't miss.
Okay, sounds good.
Love.
So they're very similar. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. Oh,
Yeah, I think so.
this one might be too cool.
Yeah, I like the warm ones.
I like the warm ones too.
What's the accent?
It's gonna be rose accent. It's
Ooh,
like
I
very,
love that.
It's very pale rose. This is gonna
Like
be my
grass.
floor.
Oh,
We like grass and then and a bunch of other things that I saw.
yes. Bye, Ashley. Love you.
Want to be in the video?
I reached out to a few yarn stores. They seem interested, so that's exciting. I think I've also decided that I might create it as like an actual card game. So I'm trying to figure out the manufacturing of the cards, like how I would get them printed. I am currently looking into options. I don't know if I'm going to manufacture in town, like here. Yeah, I'm wearing my, this is my top that I made. Anyway, one idea I had was to make 52 decks, with each deck being like one of the cards, so that each deck is just like the same one, and doing that 52 times. I would have a lot of organization to do and like putting all the decks together, but that might be the most cost-effective way. Otherwise, I have it done as like actual card decks where each card is different, but that could end up being really expensive because every single card is different. So I'm kind of feeling stumped. So I'm hoping that Ashley can help me. I'm gonna see her maybe Friday, hopefully Friday. And she said she might have some tips for me. Yeah. Also, I found out she has a new puppy. I had no idea she was getting a puppy, but I mean, I'm also really happy for them because Sweet Rosie, she was a very lucky puppy, and we love her and miss her so much. I also just officially got accepted to the Hobie pattern writing campaign so that I can create my shawl. So that's very exciting because I'll be honest, I haven't heard anything for a week, so I wasn't sure if it was going to happen. So I'm excited about that, but now it's like, oh my goodness, I have so much to do. It's kind of scary, but I'm really excited about everything. It keeps me alive and so tired. So tired. So hopefully I don't burn out, but like, I need to have my creative projects or I just don't feel alive, you know? But then I also have to like make time to go for walks and see my man and cook. So yeah, life is crazy.